Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Canon EOS R6 Mark III, a full-frame mirrorless camera designed to deliver exceptional performance for both photographers and videographers. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast looking to elevate your craft, this camera brings a host of improvements that make it a game-changer in the market. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and insights. If you're considering purchasing the R6 Mark III, check out the links in the description below. The Canon R6 Mark III retains the outstanding ergonomic design of its predecessor, the EOS R6, with subtle yet significant enhancements. The body is robust and weather-sealed, ensuring durability in various conditions, from studio shoots to challenging outdoor environments. The deep, comfortable grip provides a secure hold during prolonged shooting sessions, and Canon has refined the button layout for improved usability, enabling quick adjustments without disrupting workflow. An upgraded electronic viewfinder, EVF, now delivers sharper previews for confident composition, while the fully articulating touchscreen enhances flexibility for capturing creative angles. At the core of the R6 Mark III is a newly developed 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers remarkable image quality. This sensor offers exceptional detail and a wide dynamic range, making it easier to recover highlights and shadows during post-processing. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, or fast-paced action, the results are stunning. Canon's Digic X processor ensures advanced noise reduction, providing cleaner shots even at high ISO levels. This makes the camera an excellent choice for low-light photography, such as nightscapes and indoor events. Additionally, the improved sensor readout speed reduces rolling shutter effects, which is crucial for action and sports photography. Canon's renowned color science guarantees natural skin tones and vibrant, true-to-life colors in every shot. One of the standout features of the R6 Mark III is its next-generation autofocus system, powered by deep learning AI. This cutting-edge technology enhances subject recognition and tracking accuracy, whether you're shooting fast-moving athletes, wildlife, or everyday moments. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system excels at detecting and tracking human eyes, faces, and even animals with greater precision. This is especially beneficial for wildlife and pet photography, where subjects can be unpredictable. Additionally, the autofocus system performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, ensuring sharp images in challenging scenarios. For high-speed shooting, the R6 Mark III offers an impressive burst rate of up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and a remarkable 40 FPS with the electronic shutter. This level of speed, combined with the advanced autofocus capabilities, makes it an ideal choice for action-packed scenarios like sports and wildlife photography. Videographers will find the R6 Mark III to be an exceptional tool, offering 6K RAW video recording via an external recorder for unmatched flexibility in post-production. The camera also supports 4K video at up to 60 FPS using oversampling from 6K footage, ensuring outstanding clarity and detail. Canon Log 3 provides greater dynamic range and flexibility in color grading, making it easier to achieve a cinematic look. Essential tools such as focus peaking, zebra patterns, and manual audio controls enhance the video shooting experience. Additionally, improved heat management allows for longer recording sessions without overheating, addressing a common concern in mirrorless cameras. Dual card slots provide ample storage and redundancy options, allowing users to set one card for backup or overflow storage. The R6 Mark III also offers extensive connectivity features, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, facilitating seamless file transfers and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. This connectivity makes it easier than ever to share images instantly or control the camera remotely, whether you're in a studio or out in the field. Battery life has also been improved, thanks to the LPE6NH battery, which offers extended power for longer shooting sessions without constant recharging. The robust build quality and enhanced weather sealing make the R6 Mark III a reliable companion for diverse environments, from rainy landscapes to dusty trails. Wildlife photographers will appreciate the R6 Mark III's speed, precision, and versatility. The advanced autofocus system ensures accurate tracking of animals, even when they're moving unpredictably or partially obscured by obstacles. With a 40 FPS burst rate using the electronic shutter, it's perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like birds in flight or animals in action. Additionally, its improved low-light capabilities allow photographers to shoot at dawn or dusk when wildlife is most active. The Canon RF lens ecosystem further expands creative possibilities, offering a range of lenses from super telephoto for distant subjects to versatile zoom lenses for general use. The R6 Mark III's in-body image stabilization provides up to 8 stops of correction, enabling sharp handheld shots even in challenging conditions, which is particularly beneficial for videographers and photographers working without a tripod. The camera supports HDR-PQ for high dynamic range content with vivid details and realistic tones. Customizable controls, such as assignable buttons and dials, allow photographers to tailor the camera to their workflow, enhancing ease of use. Furthermore, compatibility with a variety of accessories, including external flashes, battery grips, and microphones, expands its capabilities, making the R6 Mark III a versatile tool for both photography and videography. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is a powerhouse that meets the needs of both professionals and enthusiasts. With its upgraded sensor, advanced autofocus system, and exceptional video capabilities, it delivers outstanding results across various scenarios. Whether you're capturing breathtaking stills or producing cinematic content, the R6 Mark III offers the perfect balance of innovation and reliability. Its ergonomic design, robust build, and extensive connectivity options make it a joy to use in any setting. Thanks for watching Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews and insights.